Flying Birds by Ayesha, Grade 3, Cathedral and John Connon School. Project description. My AI has been trained to identify some endangered birds. It will help people identify birds, and the model will give one fact about the bird. This will educate people to take care of the bird's natural habitat and remind people not to destroy birds' homes. Problem and solution. As the population in the world is growing, people are cutting down trees, which is destroying the homes of wildlife. Also, when people go for a holiday, they come across different kinds of birds, and they wonder what bird it is. My simple AI model will not only identify a couple of endangered birds, but will also say one fact about how they are endangered. Impact. People will soon start realizing that they should be more mindful of how many trees they cut. But if they cut many, they should plant as many as they cut, as do not destroy homes of birds, insects, and animals. Where you can use it. When you go on a vacation or visit tropical places, you see birds, meaning birds are everywhere, even outside your house. They are mostly found in forests. With the AI model I made, it can identify birds and help conserve their homes. The 5 big ideas in my model. Perceiving, meaning my AI model, it identifies birds. The second big idea, it doesn't have it yet, but my model is only small. But if it has been trained for other birds, then many people could use it and it would be useful for many birds. The third big idea, learning, meaning the AI model is learning as you train it. Natural interaction, meaning the AI model that I made gives you facts. And the fifth big idea, social impact. Now, here are the pictures that I've taken to train the model. These are the pictures. This is the code I've made. This is one character, and this is the other character, and this is the main character. So this model that I made has 3 birds, and it's telling one fact about the birds. The birds are going in different directions, and as they go, the purple girl and the green girl are saying facts, and they are talking about the birds. Thank you.